Are you feeling sluggish? Or do you feel a lot of inflammation in your body? Then toxins are to be blamed. Imagine clearing the brain fog and revitalizing your thyroid health with a simple detox drink. Today, I'm going to share with you a simple recipe of a powerful detox drink that is going to eliminate toxins from your body and is going to make you feel rejuvenated with lots of energy. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta. I'm world's thyroid expert. I help people reverse their thyroid conditions by making personalized functional medicine plans. What I have seen with years of my experience treating thyroid patients is that toxins play a very important role. We all are accumulating toxins in our body, especially people who have thyroid disorders have high amount of toxins, and it is very important to remove these toxins from our body so that our thyroid can function properly. Several research studies shows whether you have heavy metals as the toxins or you have mold toxins or you have pesticides or organicides or any other chemicals in your body that overburdens your thyroid gland, causes too much inflammation in your body, causes destruction of mitochondria, and that's the reason you're not feeling good. So let me share with you this powerful 1 cup detox drink that is going to help eliminate all the thyroid toxins from you. So let's first start with all the ingredients on this list so that you know exactly why you are consuming them, how they are helping detoxify your body, and then I'm going to share with you the recipe in the end so that you know how to prepare it and how to consume it safely. The very first ingredient of this drink is green tea. Yes, green tea is one of those superfoods which has so many health benefits. It has high amount of antioxidants. It is very good for hydration for your body, and now research shows that it is also good for supporting your kidney health in detoxification. Green tea has something called EGCG, which is a very powerful antioxidant which supports the kidney health. Plus, green tea also provides the hydration to your kidney so that it can eliminate toxins safely from there. Not only green tea supports your kidneys but also supports the liver health. Green tea supports the liver health because it is a very powerful anti-inflammatory compound. It reduces inflammation in the liver, reduces other chemical mediators which are responsible for fatty liver. That's the reason green tea is such a powerful detox agent. So that's the first ingredient. The next ingredient over here is fennel seeds. Fennel seeds do not get the limelight they should be getting, especially for thyroid patients. The reason being, fennel seeds are very high in selenium. Most people know that Brazil nuts are high in selenium, but they don't know that fennel seeds also are a good source of selenium. Now, fennel seeds also support your digestion as well as it supports the liver health by removing the bile sludge from liver and helping it to function better. So that's the reason you need to include fennel seeds in this drink. The next ingredient on this list is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps improve your digestion as well as starts the metabolic machinery which supports the liver in detoxification. So that's the reason apple cider vinegar is very important part of this drink. The next ingredient over here is turmeric. Turmeric is something called curcumin. It has shown that curcumin helps in bile production in your liver and also remove the congestion in the liver. In fact, there was a research study which showed that people who had fatty liver disease, when they started consuming curcumin on the regular basis, it was able to reverse their fatty liver and also improve the liver numbers. So that's the reason turmeric is very important. The next ingredient is cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon is that powerful spice which has several health benefits. Cinnamon is very high in polyphenols. These polyphenols reduces inflammation in your liver as well as are powerful antioxidants, and again that improves the liver health and functioning of the liver. Cinnamon also improves leptin resistance as well as insulin resistance, and both of these things impair the functioning of the liver as well as impair the functioning of your metabolic health. So that's the reason cinnamon, by boosting your metabolic health and boosting your liver, supports the detoxification. The last ingredient on this list is ginger. Ginger is very important to boost your digestive power in the morning, as well as ginger is very important because it improves the gut motility and supports the good probiotics and the gut microbiome in your gut. And we know that the gut health is very important for the liver health, and thereby ginger supports the liver health and the detoxification. Now you know the ingredient for this drink. Now the next part is how to make this drink every morning. To make this drink, you need to start with 2 cups of water. You need to start boiling this 2 cup water into an open pan. And then you add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds into it. And then after that, you grate half a inch of ginger into this boiling water. And then after that, if you have access to fresh turmeric, then you add half an inch of turmeric to it. Either you can grate it or you can chop it into small pieces. Along with that, you add some cinnamon to it. You can either add ground cinnamon or you can add some cinnamon sticks into it. And then you can leave this water on a low flame for a couple of minutes. After a couple of minutes, when the water has finally come to a boil, you switch off the flame and let the water sit over there. Either you can add a bag of green tea to it or you can add loose green tea. Let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes so that all the anti-inflammatory compounds from the green tea is absorbed into this drink. And after 3 to 4 minutes, you filter this solution into 1 cup. And then in the end is where you add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar on top of it to it. And your drink is ready. You have to drink this 1 cup in the morning empty stomach. And if you do this each and every day, that is going to help eliminate toxins from your system. If this is too strong for you, you can dilute it with a little bit of extra water, or maybe you can add a very small amount of honey to it so that it becomes palatable. So now you know my secret recipe of 1 cup in the morning that is going to help eliminate all the thyroid toxins from your body. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your loved ones so all the people can get benefit from it. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.